Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will show you how to recharge your AC system, your air conditioning on Dodge Dart now guys. If your AC doesn't blow cold, let's say you replace a compressor or you leaked all the Freon out, you had to replace a hose or something, we will show you how to recharge it. Make sure you stay until the end. We're going to cover everything from start to finish. Quick introduction guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, hit that subscribe button and like the video. Hopefully the video will be helpful. So I'll go ahead guys. Okay, I want to go inside the vehicle, start it, and I will show you how the AC doesn't work at all on this car. And I mean at all, nothing. And let's get inside. I'm going to turn it on. I'll get a thermometer right here so we can demonstrate that this thing actually is not working guys at all. So let's go ahead. Let me turn it on. Perfect, it started guys. You can see car is running. Now I'll go ahead and turn the AC on. You have to have the fan on. AC is on, button is on, fan is blowing, and I'll make it just to blow in the dash vents right here. Okay, let me even turn it on higher, just not to be too loud in the camera. Okay, check it out now. Temperature that we get out of this one, 85 degrees guys. Okay, 85, 86, right in the middle of the vent. This is Fahrenheit. If I switch to Celsius, this is 29.6. Now outside guys, outside is, let me show you how hot it's outside now. Okay, I need to clear the message now, but it says door open, so I need to actually go ahead and close the door. It's going to say Dodge. Come on, show us the thing now and check it out now. 70 degrees. 70 degrees, and we're blowing quite a bit of hot air. 30 degrees Celsius, 86 Fahrenheit. So what do we need to do? We'll turn the car off now guys for a little bit. I want to go outside and show you what needs to be done now to recharge your AC. Now if you're not qualified guys, haven't done anything like that, I wouldn't recommend it. Now when you open the hood of your Dodge guys, you're going to find a label usually on the hood that's going to say the capacity of your AC system. In our case it's 539 grams, or almost 1.2 pounds. This is refrigerant and all that stuff. Now this is guys what we usually use. This is amazing refrigerant, and this can is 560 grams, so that will be enough guys to recharge your AC. You almost empty the whole thing, but not all the way. In our case, we ran out of this one, so we'll be using the little cans. Little cans are 340 grams, but this one, it actually gets colder, so I would recommend it. Check out the link where you can buy it from in the description of the video below. So 340 grams means that we need to put 1.5 cans of this. As you can see right here now, we have where you set the temperature for outside. Right now outside, we saw it's about 75 degrees, so when the AC is filled, it needs to be between these two red lines. So what we have here now guys, let me grab the camera and I'm going to explain to you quick. This is guys the Dodge right here, and if you open the hood, you're going to find your information right here on the hood. Usually it says that's refrigerant guys right here, R1234YF guys. That's a special refrigerant. Now from what I understand guys, but again use only the original stuff guys. We have been using in our Dodge Dart vehicles guys for the last 2 years just a regular R134A refrigerant guys, and we haven't had any problems. But what you need to do guys, if you go that route, from what I read and understood on the forums and people explaining the chemistry, you have to have your system completely drained. If you drain your AC system completely guys, you can use that Freon, but you cannot mix both of them together. You just have to use that one. And if you go to a shop or something like that, put a label that you used R134A, okay, refrigerant, because if they drain the system, guys, when they vacuum the system and they think they have this one, they're going to mix their refrigerants and they will not be able to reuse it. So always, guys, inform if you take it to a shop. But now another thing, guys, how do you connect it? Okay, the R134A has a big outlet, guys. This is high pressure port, this is low pressure port. Careful the fan not to turn on and cut your fingers off, hands off. Here is the belt, be careful, don't run the car, don't start the engine while you're doing that. If I try to connect the regular, guys, refrigerant, it doesn't work. Okay, but now something else comes into help, and let me show you what it is, guys. It is that special device right here. We'll have everything listed in the description of the video below. We'll have this is one of the best Freon that we use, the AC Pro, and this is the device, guys, okay, right here that we use. Okay, this is an adapter from R1234YF to R134A, guys. So all you have to do, install this one now. Okay, let me just go ahead and install it. Okay, perfect, it's on. And now I'm just going to connect the hose here. Okay, system is completely empty, guys. Okay, perfect. Now I'll go inside and I'll show you guys what we need to do next. I'm going, guys, inside now. Okay, and let me show you what you need to do next to recharge your AC. So you're going to go ahead, start the car. Okay, start it, guys. Let me turn the radio off quick. Now you're going to turn the AC on cold all the way. Fan needs to be on, and then we're going to turn the AC button. AC button is on, guys. At that point, okay, we're going to go ahead and start adding Freon. According to the system, guys, okay, we need 539 grams of Freon, 539. This bottle is 566. So if you have just a little bit left, it will be perfect. So just keep pumping, guys. Okay, keep pumping. Hold it upside down. You can see the pressure right here. And once you add it, guys, okay, you're going to reach normal pressure. You're going to see your AC compressor will kick in. So the bottle, guys, is empty all the way. We have good pressure. We have about 40. Now I'm going to check. I haven't disconnected the hose yet. Okay, AC is ice cold. I'm going to get the thermometer and we're going to test it. But what I'm going to do first, guys, okay, I want to turn it off and I want to disconnect the hose. So make sure you stay with us until the end. So now with the engine, guys, being turned off, you always want to make sure the engine is off. Go ahead, okay, and disconnect it, okay, and I'm going to disconnect the adapter. We will have, guys, the link for the adapter and the link, guys, for the AC Pro in the description of the video below for your convenience. This is maximum cold air. This is one of the best Freons that we use, guys, and we tested it compared to a regular Freon and it got colder way faster, and it actually got colder about 15-20 degrees colder than the regular Freon. So don't forget to go ahead, install your cap. I'm going to go ahead, start the car, and we're going to test how cold our AC system now is. So let me get the thermometer here. Okay, let's start the car now and we're going to see if we have any improvement, guys. So now let me go ahead, point, okay, turn the fan on high so we can get more air and check it out now. Okay, what temperature we have? About 8, keep dropping. Okay, check it out, 7, that's Celsius. Okay, it still keeps dropping. Fahrenheit right now we're at about 44. Okay, and we keep dropping even more, guys. Okay, check it out, 41, 40, that's Fahrenheit, 39. So we're going to reach freezing point in just less than a minute, guys. Okay, we're at 36. So if you guys need to buy the adapter, we'll have the link, but I'll definitely recommend to go the original way. But if not, guys, you can always check that. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.